How to remove all of the synced contacts from your Teams account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can remove your Outlook contacts that have been synced with your Microsoft Teams account. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto these three dots present right here, just besides your profile picture. And once you click onto them, this submenu appears, and from this menu you can choose settings, or alternatively you may also choose to press the control and comma button and it will lead you right here to this page. Now from here, simply choose this people option, and within this people tab you can see the first option, that is sync contacts. From here you can manage the contact sync settings. So from here, click on to manage option, and from here you can see that we have already synced our contacts from Outlook. So if you have also done the same and want to remove it, you can simply click onto this remove button, and here you can see that now all of the contacts that had been synced from your Outlook have now been successfully removed. So that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.